Hello again, everybody. Welcome to Breakaway C Box Breaks. This is a 2013-2014 Upper Deck SB Game Use Box Break number 24. Here's last name for auction. There's Edmonton. Some of the box is any 221 436 789. That's any 221 436 789. There we go. Good luck, everybody. Authentic Fabrics for the Kings of Slava Voinov. We got autographed base of Corey Schneider for the Devils. You got a redemption sort of rookie sweaters patch number 25 of Nail Yakupov for the Oilers. Nice hit for Edmonton. Authentic Fabrics triple jersey of Steve Yzerman and Pavel Datsyuk and Danny DeKaiser for the Red Wings. And the last pack, we got a rookie Fabrics jersey of Jordan Schroeder for the Canucks. And there we go. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.